Yeah, we are on the coastline right now. We're gonna walk on the coastline. You see, motorbikes, really beautiful. Wow. Yeah, a lot of coffee shops. They give some branch and espresso coffee like that. A lot of restaurants, but oh, wooden stairs, wooden plates showing where to go. A lot of things. See, this is the coastline. Of course, there are some boats, some tour boats. Yeah, there are some tour boats. But okay, I'll take this out. Actually, it's a windy day. It's a windy day, but I'm walking. Actually, it's not very hot. It is. It's refreshing weather, so it's nice to walk in the street, looking at the view. You know. So today, this time actually, we are in June, and it's season, but not very crowded this time. After July and August, it will be, I think, the high season in here in the island, in Skopelos. So in high season, there will be a lot of tourists coming up. But we were lucky that it was not so crowded. I mean, the beaches were nice, the weather were nice. That's it, you know. So I really enjoy walking on the coastline and watching the boats. Some of them are sailing boats, others motor yachts, and a lot of tour boats too. You know, some fishermen's. So it's so nice to walk and take fresh air on the coastline. Yeah, of course, motorbikes everywhere. Every time motorbikes coming and going out. A lot of uh, cruise cruise tours, boat tour. So they're just trying to sell, these boat tours. That's it. Yeah, this is another boat tour coming back. A big one, actually. They're just taking people to the very famous bays around here. Skopelos is very famous with the movie Mamma Mia because the movie is shooted in here. I mean, not all the movie, but some scenes, very popular scenes, shooted in Skopelos Island. So usually tourists come in here to see this island because of the movie. You know, the song is always reminding people the movie, and you can hear the ABBA songs and some songs from this movie everywhere here in the island. And wherever you go, to the church, to the beaches, wherever you go, where the movie shooted, they're just always playing the music. These music, I think, yeah. All the music usually is from ABBA and from that movie Mamma Mia, Mamma Mia. Yeah, everywhere. Many people knows the songs. Many people knows the song, so this is very famous. And in tours also, the boat tours like this. Let me show you, like this one. You know, when they are just closing to the beaches, the to the coastline, They're usually singing this kind of songs, the Mamma Mia songs always. Yeah. They are just, I don't know, I'm not sure if they are back or, it's the mid time. It was a short trip though. Yeah, it was a really short trip. Usually this kind of tours goes from the morning and they come at the night, at the evening sometimes. Look, Elizabeth. The boy is getting ready to moor the boats. Some people are watching, and the others are, sitting on the bars and watching the action. Some of them are walking, and the boat is just coming up right now. Look, they're getting ready to go out. Many tourists, and these also small boats for rent. You can rent these boats for a day. It's around one and a half, 50 euros a day. By the way, look, they're just ready to go out. It's all automatic because they do it every day. And do they every day? It's so easy to moor to the port. Yeah, that's so easy. They will go out. Many people. Okay, I was talking about these boats. These boats are for daily rent. These boats are nice for having a tour because a private tour you can do with this one, and you can go any place. I mean, these are small ones, so you can go some caves, you can go in some bays, which is very shallow. Even it's not very deep, you can go with this boat anywhere you want. Yeah, these are the narrow streets we were coming out, and on this land, many cafes, bars on the coastline. Yeah, here's a big boat. It's just they are still waiting in the boat. They are not ready to go out. Oh, they are still working on it. Okay, let's keep on walking. There's another one right here. This is actually trying to, you know, moor again. Wow, a plastic one. Plastic boat. Yeah, today you remember this way up. Right, we are just on the port. There are some sailing boats on the line. See, there's also, I think this is, how do you say, customs. It's a very old sailing boat right here. Oh yeah, they started to go out now. Look, they started to go out from the boat. Many people. It's very crowded out there. Oh, this is, you see, gone. A very old gun. Wow, an anchor. One old anchor. This is for passengers. Another one's right here. This is a fishing boat, Greek type of fishing boat. Actually, I like this kind of fishing boats. Because it has just a small cabin on it, and there are a lot of space for the nets, like this. You see the nets? Yeah, on the middle, it's very large, though, so put you can put your nets on it, and it has really small cabin. It's not very big though, so you can put a lot of things, fish, and you see some rolls, nets, everything in it. This is actually typical Greek boats. I'm gonna record it later on. Another one, another fishing boat. See, looks amazing. I love this ones. Yeah, it's typical. I think this building is customs. This is customs. and not a one on the boat. Look at this. This one is very old, but full of everything. They put everything, all the stuff in there. Oh, look at this one. It's very colorful. Majority of these fishing boats are made by wood. So these are wooden boats. Some of them are just now, it's fiberglass right now. They're just, you know, doing it fiberglass. By the way, the other side of the port are still restaurants and bars. There's a bar, you see? People are just drinking, have a drink there. Latte bar. Nice one. All right. Now let's see. Small boats. Another boats. Let's see. Wow. So nice. This is typical fishing boats. Yeah, they're actually the colorful houses on the other side of the island, you see. This is, I'm gonna show you from here, the island. Let's start from here. This is Skopelos town and Skopelos Island. You will see all the town on the seaside. See, goes like that. All right. This is the Skopelos town. Of course, there are a lot of beautiful beaches and nice bays. Very beautiful turquoise color places, bays on this island. Oh yeah, this is really famous with it. And here is some sculpture. A sailing boat is coming over right there. Yeah, I think they're just coming over. This is a statue and another. It's a long, very long port actually. See? Usually the sailing boats are on the end, in the end, like there. Yeah, I was up there. Up there. It's a really nice place. See that? Well, when I'm walking this way, let me tell you, this is a very beautiful island. I really like it. Probably it's in my top 5 right now. Yeah, it's in my top 5. Actually, very nice. Very beautiful. Really beautiful. Oh, that's a nice walk. That was a nice walk, guys. And thank you very much for watching. See you around.